In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently find and purchase an item on Shopee using the platform's dashboard. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or someone new to the world of digital marketplaces, this guide will help streamline your experience. First, let's navigate to the Shopee dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top of the page. You'll spot the search bar prominently displayed, ready to assist you in finding your desired items. Gently click within the search bar and start typing the name of the product you're interested in purchasing. For instance, if you're looking to buy a t-shirt, simply type t-shirt into the search bar and hit enter. As results populate, take your time to browse and find the shirt that suits your style and needs. Once something catches your eye, click on the product image or title to reveal more details. It's time to customize your selection. If the item comes with variants, this is where you can choose your preferred color, size, and quantity. Carefully consider your options, ensuring you select the combination that best meets your preferences. Once satisfied with your choices, proceed by clicking the Add to Cart button. You'll notice a small shopping cart icon on the top right corner of the page. Click on this icon to view your current selections. Here, everything you've added is conveniently organized and visible. You'll find checkboxes next to each item. Locate the product you wish to finalize your purchase for and click the checkbox beside it. With that selected, it's time to move ahead by clicking the Checkout button. This will take you to a new page where you'll see various details about your purchase. Now, it's time to choose how you'd like to pay. A central component of the checkout process, selecting the appropriate payment method ensures a smooth transition to finalizing your buy. Look for the Payment Method section and click on the word Change to see your options. Here, Shopee offers several convenient choices tailored to different preferences, whether you're inclined towards using a payment center or an e-wallet. In this demonstration, let's select 7-Eleven as your payment method. Click on it, and with that, you've effectively completed the process for purchasing on Shopee. The entire sequence is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to enjoy a seamless shopping experience from start to finish. Keep these steps in mind for a hassle-free online shopping spree. Thanks for joining me today, and happy shopping on Shopee. Stay tuned for more helpful guides just like this one.